Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo Combat Evolved in virtual reality. Getting started requires understanding both hardware and software needs. We'll cover the essential components of your gaming setup, from your personal computer to your virtual reality headset. Then, we'll guide you through installing the necessary game files and the specific virtual reality modification. Finally, you'll learn how to configure your settings for an immersive and comfortable gameplay experience, bringing the classic title to life in a new dimension. To begin your virtual reality journey with Halo Combat Evolved, a robust gaming personal computer is essential. You'll need a dedicated graphics card capable of handling virtual reality demands. A compatible PC virtual reality headset, like an Oculus or Valve Index, is also a must-have. Furthermore, ensure you have ample storage, at least 20 gigabytes, for the game and any necessary modifications to run smoothly. Once your hardware is ready, the next step involves software. First, install the original Halo Combat Evolved personal computer version onto your system. After that, you'll need to locate and download the specific virtual reality mod created for the game. It is crucial to follow the mod's installation instructions precisely to ensure proper integration and functionality, allowing you to experience the game in a new way. With the game and mod installed, it's time for final configurations. Adjust the in-game settings to achieve optimal performance and visual quality within your virtual reality environment. Take a moment to calibrate your virtual reality headset and controllers for maximum comfort and precision during gameplay. Now, you are ready to immerse yourself and dive into the classic campaign and multiplayer modes of Halo Combat evolved in an entirely new, three-dimensional perspective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.